In the next 60 seconds, I'm going to teach you the difference between Claude Chat, Claude Cowork, and Claude Code, and the 3 use cases for each one so you can be the most effective. So we're in the Claude desktop app here, and you can see the 3 options in the top left: Claude Chat, Claude Cowork, and Claude Code. Think of Claude Chat as anything you want to do with basic prompting. For example, like, what's the weather in Manhattan today? You put in a prompt and you get an output. In a few seconds, Claude will respond to you. Great. If you go over to Cowork, this is for delegating tasks, like, can you make me a calendar in Notion for my to-do list? You prompt it, you leave it, and it gets it done. It's going to prepare a session for you and track all the progress. Claude Code is if you want to actually build something with code. So if I want to say build me a gym tracking app, Claude Code would go through the code, build the app for you, and then deliver it. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I respond to every single comment. Just want to make this video really quick. Subscribe. Deuces.